Hello everyone and welcome to Time for Maths. So today I will be teaching you how to organize and display data. How do we organize and display data? Data means a collection of facts or raw information. Data can be organized and displayed in a variety of ways so that we can analyze, study them more in detail. So I will be doing 3 examples. So the first example is column graph. Column graphs are mostly used for data that are in categories. We use columns to show the quantity or frequency of each category. It's also called a bar graph. The horizontal axis going across shows the categories. The vertical axis going up shows the frequency. So the next one's the sector graph. So sector graph shows parts of the whole in circle form. Use a sector of a circle to show sizes of parts, also called a pie chart or a circle graph. So next one is divided bar graph. Divided bar graph shows the parts of a whole in rectangular form. Use sections of rectangle to show size of parts. So example 1 is a sample of 80 people were surveyed on their favorite TV show, and the results are shown below in this graph. So this is the the titles, the subheadings. So TV, sports, and frequency. So this column's for frequency, this column's for TV sports. There's Australian football, which is 13, cricket, which is 16, motor racing, which is 8, rugby league 19, rugby union 10, and football 14. So first one we're going to be doing is column graph. So the highest frequency is 19, which is rugby league. So we use a scale of unit 1 to 2 on the frequency axis. And we label both axes, draw a column for each category, and then label the graph again. And it's very important to label because you might get marks cut off if you don't label the graph. If you don't label the graph, you will definitely get marks cut off. Actually, it depends on what your teacher or marker goes by what marking criteria, but yeah. So next one, sector angles. So for Australian football is 13 over 80 times 360 degrees, which is 58 degrees, and motor racing, which is 8 over 80 and times 360, which is 36 degrees. So you get the point. So that's how you actually do find how many degrees is needed for the pie graph or the angles of the pie graph. So here I have got the percentage on this as well. So Australian football is 19.7, motor racing is 12.1, rugby union is 15.2, cricket is 24.2, and rugby league is 28.8. So now we are going to be doing divided bar graph, and we are going to find the section sizes of the bar graph. So Australian football is 13 over 80 times 12 cm equals 1.95 centimeters. And yes, you get the point. So it goes on like that. But you have to multiply it by 12 centimeters, depending on how long you want the graph to be. So yeah. So thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. And hope you like this video. Bye.